In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an app using AppyPie, walking you through the complete process. Whether you're a business owner looking to digitalize your services or someone interested in app development, this step-by-step guide will help you create your very own app with ease. Let's start by heading over to the AppyPie website. You can do a quick Google search for AppyPie and click on the link to their homepage. Once you're on their site, locate the App Builder option and click on it. This will direct you to the main page where the app creation process begins. Now, click on Create Your App. This is where you'll start building your new application. Here, you'll need to type in your business name, so pick something that best represents your brand or the function of your app. Enter the name, then click Next to proceed. The next step involves choosing a category that best fits the nature of your business. AppyPie offers a range of categories to choose from, so find one that aligns with the primary functionality or purpose of your app. After selecting a category, you'll be prompted to pick a color scheme. Choose colors that complement and resonate with your brand identity. A cohesive color scheme is vital for a professional and attractive app interface. Next, you'll need to select a test device. This choice helps you visualize how your app will appear on different devices, ensuring that the user experience remains consistent across all platforms. Go ahead and make a choice that corresponds to your target audience's most commonly used device. To continue building your app, you'll need to select a plan. AppyPie offers various subscription plans based on the features and services you require. Choose a plan that best suits your needs and click Upgrade Now to proceed. Once you've finalized your selection, you'll be directed to the App Manager dashboard. Here, you have the option to click on Edit Mobile App. This section gives you the ability to tweak the default pages like Home and Contact. You can either edit these pages or introduce new ones by adding features like social media integration, photo galleries, audio, and video capabilities to enrich the user's interaction with your app. Next, navigate to the App Manager.